What to do if your social account is not eligible for posting, if you cannot post on your Instagram account automatically using services such as dlvr.it, for example. This is because your Instagram account is set as a personal or creator account, and you have to change that to be able to post on it. So here, for example, are the Instagram accounts that I can use for automatic posting on dlvr.it, and here the ones that I cannot use because they are not set up as business accounts. So all you have to do, here we will try to do it on computer, but of course you can do it on mobile phone, is to go on your Instagram account. So for example, this is our Instagram account. Here, go to settings. On the lower left corner, select the settings. In settings, find the part that says here switch to business account. In the settings, professional accounts or account type, it depends on how your account is set up. The menu will be located at a different place, and when you found it, go to switch to business account. Switch to business account. It doesn't really change anything, and you can always come back to creator account if that's what you want to. As you can see here, the option will be there. Then go to your dlvr.it, for example, to your dlvr.it program, or any other thing that uses the Instagram API to post stuff on your behalf. Click on Connect Social, go on Instagram, and as they say here, you can only connect business. So let's continue with business, and now dlvr.it will check again for our Instagram business accounts, and we should find here our account. So here we go. Our account disappeared from socials not eligible for posting, and it's not here available for posting. All we have to do is select it, connect it, and start automatically posting on our Instagram account using the API, the programming interface that dlvr.it will use to post on our behalf on our Instagram account. So simple and fast, and good luck managing your social media.